Hello everyone and welcome back to Jean's 25 Days of Baking Day 11. Today we are making a party tray. Here are the ingredients that you need. You will need turkey meat, Swiss cheese, American cheese, and pepperoni. And these ingredients you can probably find in your refrigerator, so this party tray is so simple to make. So first we started off by taking our turkey meat and then rolling it into a ball and putting our cheese in the center of it. You can use any cheese that you like, but today we're using Swiss cheese and American cheese. So we just continued that with the rest of our meatballs. And then we put them on our non-stick pan. It made about 10 of them, and then we just put it in our oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Okay, so while those are in the oven, we decided to make little side dishes just to add to it. So we wrapped some American cheese and some Swiss cheese and a slice of pepperoni. We just wrapped those together. And then we repeated that process with all the rest of them, and these are perfect for crackers or really anything. Okay, so we decided to add some Ritz crackers and some saltine crackers. These are of course optional. We just wanted to fill up the plate and just show a whole dish that you can use as an appetizer dish. Okay, so we added both of our crackers, and it looks so neat and it just looks perfect, and it's an amazing appetizer. You guys should totally try this because honestly it doesn't get simpler than this. Okay, so after those came out, and then we just stuck a little toothpick in it and just placed it on our plate. After that, we just cut into it, and it looks so delicious. You guys need to try this. And that basically concludes our video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Bye!